This is the letter T. Big T, little t. The letter T makes the T sound like tiger. A lot of words begin with the letter T, like taco, toothbrush, toucan, train, truck, tomato. What other words begin with the letter T? T is for... That's right, turtle. What is a turtle? Turtles are reptiles with a hard protective shell on their backs. It goes everywhere with them. Some turtles live on the land while others live in the sea. They live in many different places like ponds, lakes, oceans, and on land. You can even see turtles in your backyard. Turtles eat plants, insects, small fish, all depending on where they live. Some turtles are very slow, and they often hide in their shells to protect themselves. Others can swim really fast. Let's look at some parts of a turtle.
Okay.
I see a shell, head, patterns, and flippers. Let's look at some different turtles for new ideas. What do you see? I see many different turtles and many different styles. There's no right or wrong way to make a turtle. Let's draw a turtle. You need paper,
Oil,
marker, and something to make color with. Time to create our turtle art. Our paper. And do a curved line across. That's going to be the bottom of his shell. We're going to do a matching curved line, jump line from this side to the other. Very nice. Now remember your first curve. We are going to do 2 little hooks at the base of where that first curve started, and then do a matching line up, down, and 2 little lines out for his neck. Curve line down, matching curve line, so he's going to have a little bit of a point. That's where his nose is. I'm going to go ahead and do a curved smiley line, so I remember this is my turtle's face. And he's going to have a little circle at the end of his nose so he can breathe. And a medium-sized circle for his eye. And a circle on the inside. I'm going to go ahead and color that in. So now we have our turtle's face. I'm going to go to the end of his shell and do a little V shape for a little tail. Now we're going to come in and work on his flippers. We're going to put our marker on the bottom of his shell. Do a curved line down. It's almost like a curved U. I'm going to do a bigger one in the front. That's one of his flippers. And a smaller one in the back. Now he's going to have 2 flippers on each side. So I'm going to do another smaller one in the back. And a larger flipper up and give him some detail. I'm going to do a upside down rainbow line on the top of the shell. And 1, 2, 3 rainbow lines inside of his shell for some detail. And I'm going to give my turtle some polka dots because that is what looks good to me. Now remember your turtle begins with the letter T, so I'm going to do a big T and a little t just to help me remember. Let's add some color. I chose to make my turtle green with blue spots, and his shell is pink, purple, and yellow because that's what looks good to me. Ta-da! a turtle. That's terrific. Turtle is for T, the letter T. Thank you for joining us today. Please consider liking and subscribing to Bold Soul Whimsy. We'll see you in the next one.